Welcome to everybody to the webinar on social engineering management. Here it is mainly discussing about the security section of social engineering management. Social engineering has been prevalent from long ago, but it has become an active management system recently, or its importance is more relevant in nowadays, while we are seeing around the social security the social engineers are very active in doing their jobs, which is for their vested interest. So social engineering is the act of influencing the people of an organization to collect the information, confidential information from an organization for their vested interest. That is the social engineering. They are illegally influencing the employees or the personnel of an organization for their vested interest. This has been widely all over the world nowadays, we can see. Now we can say that if you have a strong security system of your organization with fences, floodlights, with guards, with watchdogs, with deadlocks, and whatever it may be, but if the weakest link in your security is to be remembered that it is the human, it is the person, it is the mind of the person. A person who is accepting everything at a face value of information or a dialogue with somebody is in danger, or he is the weak point or the weak link in the security system of an organization. So the social engineering starts through an employee, or it starts through human. It is human. It is influencing a person to collect the information of the organization or the business organization or the particular organization for his vested interest. It is not legal, it is illegal. The social engineering is prevalent everywhere. All the securities will be in vain. All the investments in the security section will be in vain if the weakest link of the social engineering, weakest link of the security, the man is weak. It is through the man the social security, the social engineering system is going on. So the social engineering is the system of influencing the employees or persons or people of an organization to collect the IT information or maybe financial information, and maybe through any other information for the vested interest of the social engineer. So let us see what are the examples of social engineering. Social engineering can be classified into so many things, and first of all we can say a call for a password of the organization. The organization employee may receive a call asking for the password of the system or the password of his organization to be revealed as if he is the right person to get that. This is a type of social engineering. And the person who is attending the call, if he is taking all the information at the face value, and if he is giving the password or the passcode, whatever it may be, the security threat, he will be in fail, the organization will be in fail, and all the information technology treasures and financial life of the organization will be in trouble. Then we can say shoulder surfing. Shoulder surfing is another example of social engineering. Shoulder surfing is an act of watching behind the shoulders of the employees who are working there. The shoulder surfer will be in disguise, or maybe as if he is acting as a cleaner or maintenance team or IT team, something like that. He will be in disguise and he will be shoulder surfing, maybe there, maybe in an airport, maybe in a public place, wherever it may be. He is operating his laptop, maybe operating his iPad, whatever it may be. The shoulder surfer will enter into there to collect the information from there. Then another example is incognito. Incognito means the secret person. The secret person who is watching around the organization to collect the information may not be revealed, and it is very danger, or he is looking to get the information from the IT, or information from the financial section, or even information from the human resource section. He is called incognito. He is disguised. He is unknown. Nobody can reveal him. So beware of self-soldering, beware of incognito, beware of the calls receiving in an organization asking for a passcode. And there is dumpster diving is another example of social engineering. Dumpster diving means we all throw away all our trash, or our scribbling pads or scribbling papers into a trash box. Maybe we write some information about the organization which is useful for a social engineer. He is looking around the trash. He is diving into the trash to get some information, maybe a piece of paper, maybe a note, to get some information to crack the financial information of the organization, to crack the information technology of the organization. And that is dumpster diving. And as we know, daily we are receiving so many messages asking us to open a link. As if it is genuine, we or you may be getting a message saying that open this link to go ahead, or download this to do something. Beware of this. Or even asking for a help. This is an example of social engineering. So beware of that. So these are the examples. Then finally we can say another example saying that you are the winner. It will attract, a fantastic slogan to attract. You are the winner. So the winner normally try to get into the details. So these are the examples of social engineering. So there is beware of shoulder surfing, asking for passcode, dumpster driving, trash management is there. The trash is very important, so the employee should know that. And messages which we are receiving daily through in our systems. And you are the winner slogan which is coming, which is hiding a threat behind that. Then comes what are the methods of social engineering to manage the social engineering? Social engineering can be managed in different ways. The first thing to manage the social engineering is to mold the mind of the employees, to make them aware that there is social engineering working out in the organization. The second point is to motivate them to defend the social organization in the organization itself. Make them aware of that. Implement the layers of security. Instead of opening the system by a single person, make it 2 or 3 persons to prevent the social engineering in the organization. Then there is the trash management. Use the trash management properly. Use a shredder to shed down all the trash and recycle or reuse or maybe throw away. And then mind the business of guests in your organization. Guest management. He should be escorted, and he should be escorted what he is doing. Then use the security systems, biometric, iris, whatever it may be. It should be very clear. 24/7 watching. It should be there. All these security systems, all these remedies, managing is the managing of social engineering security. So the social engineering can be managed by mainly motivating the employees, which is the weakest link in the security. So remember all these things. Remember all these things, how we can manage the social engineering. Social engineering is a menace in the society. Menace into an individual, menace to an organization, especially to collect the valid treasures of information from an organization. So always be ready to protect this, to defend this. Use how to manage social engineering is very relevant now. Study and research and get enhanced in defending social engineering and be a manager of social engineer management. And good luck. Thank you very much.